Edwin Gutierrez here with the Toyota tip of the day. Today guys, we're going to be resetting the maintenance light on the 2025 Toyota Prius. First step guys is to go to the steering wheel menu button. We're going to hit vehicle settings. You're going to hold OK. Then you're going to scroll down to the schedule maintenance. Hit yes to the reset data, and then you'll be all done. And I'm gonna throw in some bonus tips today as well too. So for Toyota owners that have the hold brake function system, I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. So imagine you're at In-N-Out. Instead of having to put the car in park, you just go ahead and press this button over here. The car will stay on idle and it won't move. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Come visit us here at Toyota Santa Maria. Thanks for watching.